This machine tool is designed and manufactured specifically for the simultaneous drilling of multiple holes in plastic steel wound drainage pipes with a vertical structure for the entire machine. Pressing the foot switch can activate the machine for automatic drilling work. Equipped with a visible safety cover, effectively preventing drilling waste from splashing, maintaining a clean and tidy working environment, and avoiding work-related accidents. Equipped with a one-click lock release quick and stable positioning pneumatic locking and clamping device, it can automatically drill out 1,612 hole positions for clamping 2-meter long pipes at once. For drilling, power heads are used to drill simultaneously, ensuring the accuracy of the spacing between the 52 drilled holes. All drilling shaft heads and workpiece plastic pipes are CNC moved to achieve the function of continuously and automatically drilling out 6-meter long pipes with one clamping operation. Automatically press the material during drilling to ensure accurate positioning and no deviation of the workpiece. CNC fully automatic drilling effectively solves the problems of uneven pitch and inclination of ADP plastic steel winding pipes, and the drill bit is prone to accidentally breaking the steel strip ring. Adjust the screw-tooth rotation device above the drilling shaft head and adjust the drilling signals upwards to deepen it. The downward rotation adjusts the stroke to become shorter, resulting in a shallower drilling signals, which is simple and convenient.